Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Source Code Pointer. Have you ever sent your friend a money through Paytm? You might, but have you ever sent your friend money using Paytm website? No. You know why? Because they don't have an option. Let's visit a Paytm website. On Paytm website, you might pay a mobile bill, electricity bill and landline bill, but you can't pay a money to your friend because they don't provide options over here. Suppose you have a Paytm balance and you have to pay your friend. Then how will you do it? You can't do it from this website. Now I'm going to tell you how you can do it from your desktop. For that, first you have to download an application called as a Bluestack. I will share its link in my description. The Bluestack provides you a platform for an Android apps to download on your desktop machine. You have to just click on a download Bluestack. After that, you have to click on again download for Windows. I have already downloaded this, so I will not download it. You have to click on start download and you have to just follow the instruction. After installation, it will give you an option called as a Bluestack. Just click on it. After that, it will open a window like this where you have to click on my app. In my app, you have to click on system apps. In system app, you have to go on Google Play. In Google Play, for that you need a Google Play account. You can do it from your Gmail. Just type Paytm over here and then you will get an install option. I have already downloaded it, that's why I am getting it open. Now I will click on open. After clicking on open, you will get this kind of a screen. First, they will ask you for your register Paytm mobile number and password. If you don't have one, there is an option to create an account. Just create the account, link your bank to a Paytm and add a money to your Paytm wallet. Just go to the Paytm. Now this is the mobile UI that you are seeing. Now you might have seen this, that you have option of pay, passbook, UPI, KYC, add money and all these things. Transfer money, accept payment. But now we will visit to a Paytm website. Here you don't get this kind of option. Now we will show you how to make a transaction through Paytm. Just go on that, click on pay. Here I will put my friend's mobile number whom I want to transfer a money. I already have one, so just enter the mobile number over here, enter the amount and say proceed to pay. I get his name, just say confirm and bingo, I have sent money through Paytm using the desktop application. That's it guys from our side. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel and let us know what do you want to see more on our channel. Thank you. See you. Have a good day.